So, like today, we will work on the software setup and we'll try to create a environment in our local system for this real-time project. Okay. So yeah, today and next day we will be focus on this software setup, and then after that we will start the technical part. Okay. So we'll start from requirement gathering, and then like we'll go for development, testing, and all phases. Okay. So in software setup part, okay. So I have a list of software which we will use in this project. Okay. So for those software and application, everything should be ready in your system before we will go to before we will start this real-time project. Let me share my this document. And here you will get that list. Okay. So first one is Anypoint platform account and Anypoint Studio. Second one is Anypoint Studio. Okay. Many of you have already completed, but still learn how to do this setup. Okay. For Anypoint platform, you need to open this anypoint.mulesoft.com. Okay. You need to open this link. Okay. So here you will get anypoint.mulesoft.com/login. In this particular page, if you have already account, then you will provide the user ID and password. And if you are new user, okay, then you need to click on this sign up option. Here they're asking few details. So you will provide your name, name, email, then job title, then your country detail. In company name, you can put anything. For employee, you can put anything. Industry also you can check. You can put anything. Okay. So only thing you need to whatever you have provided, everything is fine. But on this username part, okay, you need to be a bit careful. So that username must be unique username. No one else has used this username. Okay. So generally what I used to do, I used to keep this pattern. Like like whatever name is there. So I used to put that name, then month and then year. Okay. So I maintain this pattern. So you can also use this since this account will be valid for 1 month only. Okay. After 1 month, in any point platform, you will have access of limited capability like RAML, design center kind of thing. Your runtime manager will not be available. Okay. You will not able to deploy your application on and like you will not able to deploy your application. Okay. So like maybe for your testing purpose, for your like POC assignment and all, you might need this account for few months. So every month you need to create the account. Okay. So you can use any unique username. Okay. So that part is fine. And then okay, this account I already created. So let me put something else and click on create account. Verify email. So you need to go to this email and you need to verify your account.
Ravi.
Yes.
Ravi, sorry, I joined just 2 minutes back. Is it the first thing you are doing? Any point creation
Yes.
account?
Yes.
Okay.
Everyone go on mute. Everyone please go on mute. Okay. So once you will create the account, you will able to see what all capability you have in this account. We have endpoint code builder. We have design center where you can create RAML, you can create Mule application. We have exchange that is repository for Mulesoft resources. We have endpoint studio. This is the like software or ID which we use for code development. Okay. Then we have management center where we have API manager. In API manager, we apply security policy. Okay. We have API governance. Okay. Where we set some rule of API governance. Then we have runtime manager. Okay. In runtime manager, we do deploy our application. So when you will go with cloud hub deployment model, you will deploy your application on runtime manager. Then we have monitoring visualizer. Okay. So all this we use for monitoring purpose for creating graphical interface kind of thing. So which help us to monitor and visualize the application and traffic. Okay. Then we have secret manager and access management kind of thing, where you can, like in secret manager, you can create some, you store some sensitive information in like hidden way. And then access management we use for creating users, assigning them to different organizations. So we do maintain users and their access. Okay. So all this kind of capability we have in any point platform. Okay. Most of them we will touch, like we will see at the time of project. Okay. And we will, like, mostly we will use design center, exchange, API manager, runtime manager. So these things we will use very frequently. Okay. So once you will create your Anypoint platform account, second thing you need to do, you need to go to Anypoint Studio download option. Okay. In download option, again, you need to provide some details like your product selection, what all things you want. We want only Anypoint Studio. Version, we will take latest one. Operating system, window one. First name, last name. To go to your email, click on this and click on this. So downloading is in progress.
Ravi,
Yes.
one question, Ravi, like when this Anypoint account gets expired, the trial one, it's 1 month, right?
Yes. Yes.
And so once it gets expired, will we be able to, like, if we have created some artifacts, will we be able to access that or no? Before that, we need to download and keep backup.
Many things they will remove the access. Okay. So artifact means like which artifact you mean to say?
Say example RAML.
Yeah. So RAML you will able to access.
Okay,
But if you are deploying any application, that application you will not able to like
access. Okay.
redeploy or yeah access.
Hmm. Okay. I have one account actually created earlier when we started the class, and I just checked. It is going to expire on February 1st. So just so same mail ID I can use, right, to create another account.
Yes, yes. Only thing you need to change that is user ID.
User ID. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So this downloading is in progress, but I have already downloaded in my system. Okay. So that we can see like
And Ravi, once like it will be expired, after that, uh, what about the cloud of de deployment? What we have done?
yeah, yeah,
We need
that
to.
part. Yeah, you will have. Let me show you. I have few account.
No, means we will not complete our like whatever we are doing in 1 month now. So that how we will
Yeah, we
continue with
need to
that?
create another account with different username. Email ID you
That
can use same.
that I know, but what about the previous one we will create?
Yeah, so that you will not able to like
We need to
design center
export
you
that.
will have. Let me show you.
I think we, like Ravi said, we need to keep a backup in local or something.
No, we can export and like import in that next account now. So we
Yes.
will get all whatever we have created. We will get that on their new account.
Yeah, I mean, if the access is there, then, but yeah, if it is not there, then better to keep a
Let me
backup
show
in
you.
local.
Wait a
No,
minute.
no, we can export that after 1 month also.
Oh,
RAML
okay.
and all you can export. And if I go to runtime manager, see, your trial has recently ended. Okay. I have few things deployed here. Okay, I think they removed the application. Okay, they removed the application what I had. Let me try with some other account also.
Uh, Ravi, are you going to connect the Anypoint Studio with Anypoint Hotline? We are going
Sorry,
to
sorry.
develop it on the studio, right?
Sorry, what you mentioned with your question?
I
My
think he's
question is,
saying,
we are going to develop the API.
yeah, I think you meant, are we going to connect any point studio with any one platform, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I
Okay.
think we'll need to connect it, right, to get the RAML which we are creating in platform imported to studio. Not sure, Ravi, you can comment.
Yes. So first thing, like any point studio and any point platform, like they cannot connect with each other. We have to deploy. Okay. If you want to do the deployment, then we need to write CI/CD code and we need to deploy the application.
Okay, that case, then we'll see it on the platform, the running app API.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So can I use any uh, Anypoint Studio that I downloaded? It's the same version last time with a different user
Yes.
ID.
Yes. You can
It
use.
doesn't matter. Okay, okay.
Okay. For like your account, which is very older one, they will ask this authentication and all. So yeah, like important thing is here. So once your account will expire, you will not able to take advantage of runtime manager. So you need to create the new account, and if you want to move the things, so anyhow, I will show you that process, how you will move everything from one account to another account. Okay. So we were downloading the software, and once you will complete the download, so it will be like something, it will be something like this. Endpoint Studio 7.13, 7.13, like this will be jar you will get. Okay. Now what you need to do, you need to export this jar. So do right click, then use 7-zip or some other software. So 7-zip, like I do prefer, since I seen 7-zip is much more compatible with this one. Okay. So extract this. Once you will extract it, you will get something like this. Okay. And then you need to go inside, copy this folder, Endpoint Studio, and go to C drive and paste it here. Okay. Once you will paste it, go inside this and click on this Anypoint Studio. Okay. Once you will click on this, here you need to select the workspace. If you are first time, by default it will give you one workspace, or if you like define any other workspace, you can define here. Okay. So launch it, and then you will able to start your studio. Okay. So in this way, you will able to do setup of your endpoint platform account and endpoint studio account. So everyone complete in your system and put in chat if once you have completed. Put yes in chat once you have completed.
Okay. Sorry, I was on mute. Ravi, the Java runtime, Jari, can you go to runtime on the studio?
Sorry. In studio we have inbuilt Java. Okay. So no need to worry on that part.
Yeah,
No need to.
it was not able. I was not able to run. It was stopping me, and then I just installed Java 11. That's what it was working for me.
Okay, share your screen.
Okay. Yes, yes. Can you see?
Yes.
Can you see this?
Yes. Yes.
So yeah, on the runtime configuration here, I was not able to run. Huh? Yeah, I just add the JDK 11. That's how it started running for me. The default one, it was not working. This way, that's how I start running my app.
No, sorry, I can see only Anypoint platform account. I cannot see anything.
Oh, close. Okay. Let me move my screen. Can you see now?
No, still I can see Anypoint platform account.
Oh, okay. Let me stop. Mm, okay. Okay. I think I think now you can see it, right? Can you see my screen now?
Yes,
No. Okay. Do you see the studio?
yes, I can see.
Okay, thank you. Uh, on the runtime configuration here, there was some build Jarry that it was selected here. The IO JDK something, the Open JDK which is installed on the studio, but it was not running for me. But
Like
after this,
Studio has inbuilt Java and JRE.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
you don't. Okay, so it is it creating any issue with your application when you are deploying?
yeah.
Okay, what
Now it's working, but earlier I was not able to run.
was the problem at that time?
The inbuilt Java JDK Jarry was not supporting my version, so I don't know why. What happened?
Okay,
Can you
but
share?
now it's working, correct?
Yeah, 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 yeah. It's working. It's working.
Okay, then fine now.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't worry.
Sorry.
Okay, everyone, once you complete this setup, put yes chat so I can see three people has completed. What about others?
Sir, I already have in my system, and I am working on that.
Yeah, so if you have already, then also put yes in chat.
Inch- Okay. That's sorry, sir.
Ravi, I joined late, so like what you asked, like to install the studio or what?
Yeah, any point platform and studio account should be set up in your system.
Okay, okay.
Sir, I am having one error. Like we can't get your conversation. Please try again when you are online.
Sorry, share your screen.
Actually, today, as I told you, my system got crashed. My personal laptop. So I will install Teams to like I will update OS today, and then thereafter I will like work join with PC. Currently, I am joining through my phone only.
Okay, fine. Yeah, then you can do later. You have 7.11. Yes, you can skip, but yes, like there are many version in between, so better to download new version.
And so this after finishing this class, when the link will be uploaded?
Which link?
Not link, sir, recording, sir.
Generally, it takes 24 hours. In between that, I can complete and I will upload anytime.
Upload on YouTube.
Yeah, I will upload on YouTube. So initially few video like how I kept for basic training. Same way for
Mm-hmm.
project also. In a few video I will make it public, and then rest of the video will be private. So I will collect your email ID and you will get private access there.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine, sir. Good. Thanks, sir.
Mm. Ravi, the 18th Jan video, it is the not the correct one, Ravi. It is of 14th Jan.
I need to double
Uh,
check.
part 3, session 1. It is having the same which we have conducted on 14th Jan. But 18th part is missing.
Okay, I will check today.
Yeah.
Okay, most of you have already completed. So let me move for another setup, second setup. Second one, we have Git repository. Okay. So first, can anyone tell me what is the purpose of Git repository?
It is version monitoring system. Like we many developer will work on the same project, so we all get connect. All the code will be one location only, and anything we have like any changes we have made which we don't want to be go to production side, so it will be like approved by our lead or manager. Then only it will be uh, pushed and go to the real source or somewhere.
Yes, this one is correct only. So first of all, whenever you are working in a project, there will be more or multiple developer. Like we will have two or multiple developers. Okay. So there might be possibility like one developer is working on one piece of application, another team member is working on another application. But there might be possibility they are working on same application also. And there will be possibility at this moment one developer is working, but next month another developer will work on same set of code. So how you will manage your code? Okay, so let's say someone has committed first, person has committed his code and second person want to access that code, that piece of code. So all those things are possible using SCM tool like Git repository, Bitbucket. Okay. So this tool will help us to effectively manage your source code and share across the team. Okay. So whatever you will commit, whoever will be there in that organization, they will able to access your commit. Okay.
Is it
If they,
like a versioning tool?
yes, yes. Okay. So whenever you are working on any project where you have like two or more developers working together, you must need to have SCM tool and whatever what I can say means and one more thing, like in market there are many SCM tools are there. Okay, like Git, Bitbucket, Azure repository. There are many other options are there, but Git is one of the most popular SCM tool is there. Okay, many organizations are using Git repository. Okay, so we are also going to use the Git only. We will see what all capability it has. Anyone has any question on this part?
In real world, organization will provide us the credentials for Git, right?
Yes, yes. Once you will join any
And
company.
there they what they use, like GitHub only, or like as you are saying Git Bash or anything like something else they will use.
Okay, so organization level, as I mentioned, there are two, three CM tools are there, which is very famous. That is Git, Bitbucket, Azure repository, and we have other option also.
And so in DevOps also we can do the same things. Now version monitoring we can do in DevOps also.
Yeah, we can.
They don't use DevOps or they use, because as
So,
I know, if we use DevOps, we no need to use Git separately.
oh, okay. So what is DevOps? DevOps perform all the development related operational task. Okay. So here managing repository, managing deployment, automation of the process, everything will be covered inside the DevOps. Okay. So DevOps is just a, you can say, kind of technology stack where everything comes related to managing and deploying the application. So what all things is required for that? So this person working on DevOps are responsible to manage all those. Okay, so next thing, like how to create account for Git repository. Just give me 1 minute. The first thing we will see how to create account for Git repository, and which for managing the Git repository also we will use one software, that is Git desktop. Okay, so you can perform all the operation on Git repository like cloning the code, code commit, code checking, everything you can complete, you can do using command also. But we have one software, that is Git desktop. That software will give us graphical interface to perform all this. Okay, so first thing, like how to create Git repository account. You need to go to github.com. Okay, I have my account already logged in here. So first I will do logout. Okay, now to do sign in, I need one email ID. So one person from this group send me your email ID. So I will create account on behalf of you, and other people will see how to create. Okay. And that email ID should able to receive the OTP. Okay. I need that email ID. So
If
whoever
someone have the
providing,
older one, we can use that also. No?
yes, yes. I need one email ID only. So let me quickly check. So here you need to go to sign up. Okay. And then your email address. Hmm. So password. Puzzle is not loaded yet. Okay, and then click on create account. Okay, can you send me that OTP? What you have received?
Okay then.
Oh, sorry, actually, the SATISH something missing in the Gmail ID round.
Yes, and you haven't received any OTP or link code.
No, Ravi. So the Gmail is wrong. B Satish. It's a TISH, but H is missing on that
Okay, sorry, where it will be H?
one. SATISH.
Let me create again.
SH. TISH. Yes.
This only correct.
Yes. Already in use.
Can anyone send me one unique email which you haven't used for Git account? I need one email address who don't have Git account. No one has. So process wise, then everyone clear like what we need to do. Okay, someone is providing. Let me check.
So the free version is okay for our training, is that right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right, I have just created it.
Use this one, Ravi.
Yeah, let me use this one. This email address also already in use. Just give me 1 minute.
Hey, Ravi. Hey, in the benefit of time, do you guys have any issue on creating the GitHub account? If not, when he come back, then we can proceed to the next one. Any issue?
Hello, sorry, come again.
No, what I'm saying is that we are in the benefit of time.
Yes, I
If
have that account.
if everybody creates that, then we have to tell him to proceed to the next step, right? Creating
Yeah,
account will not take us this much time.
yeah. Okay, I'm back. So, okay, so yeah, like I can see again this email address is already used. Okay, so like hopefully everyone has account. Okay, so I have already account. So let me explain everything there. Okay, so I have this account. And when you will create first time account, actually why I was trying to create a new account from scratch. Okay. So in that account, you will have like different view and existing account will have different view. Okay. That's for that purpose only I was trying to create. So once you will create your scratch account, you will not able to see your organization and all. This option will not be there once you will create your new account. Okay. To enable this option, you need to go to settings and then you need to go to organization and then you need to add a new organization. Once you will add new organization, then only you will able to see organization here. Okay. So don't wait for first time, like first time you will not able to see. So what you will do again, so you will go to setting and then you will go to organization and then you will add organization here. Okay.
But from my
So
side, I see organization.
is it new account, scratch account?
Yeah, yeah. Just I created today.
Okay.
And on the
Okay.
drop down, there is your organization there. Okay, but you are not a member of the organization. That's what it says.
Okay. This option is there.
Yes.
Okay. If this option is there, well and good. If not, then you can go to setting and organization and you will come here. Okay. So generally what happens like in project, there may be one or multiple projects are running. Okay. So first thing you will create the organization and you can create project also. Okay. Let's say I'm creating one organization here. One minute.
So we will use like Git web version or Git like application in the real world.
So first thing, like Git center repository, you will able to have only web version only. But there are few applications are there like Git desktop, source tree. So using those application, you can manage your.
So those
Sorry,
applications are
you can.
used for accessing GitHub account, right?
Yes.
And what is the Git base, sir? The same one.
Yeah. No, Git pass like that you need if you want to perform the Git operation using command prompt.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So
So
either you can
we don't
operate.
use Git base.
It's up to you. Like many people do prefer Git bash. Many people prefer this. Like it's kind of you have Linux operating system and you have Windows. Okay. Now it's up to you which one you want to use.
Okay, on Windows, what we use Git desktop.
No, no. It's kind of like how Linux operating system works and how Windows operating system works. In Linux, everything you need to do using command. Windows, everything you will get as a graphical interface. Okay. Same way, we have Git bash and Git desktop. Git bash, you need to do everything as a command. Git desktop, you will get graphical interface. Okay.
Do I need to transform an account, or do I have to do something on the organization?
Sorry, tell me again.
On the organization, the menu is there when I click on the icon, and then organization is there. But when I click on organization, it's asking me, you are not a member of any organization. Transform your account to username into an organization. Do I have to change it to organization?
But have we gone through? Have we covered that part?
Huh?
We haven't done anything on organization.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
wait for
Okay.
some time.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So here, like before that, someone was asking something. So are you clear with that? Git bash and Git desktop.
Yeah, but we will use web version of Git repository, right? Like central repository, as you are saying in real life projects.
No, no,
Oh,
that is on server. That is on internet. Okay.
that's
To
why I'm saying
manage
we will
that,
use web version.
that is server. Na? So server, how you will able to like server will be available on website only.
Right. But whatever applications you are saying, Git desktop and that, all these, what the use of those applications?
That you will use to manage your Git repository.
Okay, okay, okay.
Now coming to organization part, we have different like subscription. You can take free one, you can take paid one. So you will see like what difference are there in services. Free one, everything is like having less. Here you will get unlimited, and here you will get much more capability. Okay. So it's up to you. Like means generally in any organization, we use this paid one only, and we will have more capabilities. But at this moment, we will use this free one. Okay. So select this, and here you need to put the organization. Okay. So in organization name, you will put this. Okay. So here you can add email ID whom you want to add in your organization. So at this moment, I will add my email ID, but later on I will add everyone in this organization. Then this is for, let's say I am creating this as my personal account. Verify.
So we are going to use this one, right? So we don't need to transform our account, right?
Sorry, which one you will use?
The one that you are creating. So you are going to add our email address there, and then we can work there, right? Or do we have to transform our username to an organization?
Okay. See, learning purpose, you will also create your own organization. Okay. What organization I am creating, I will give access to everyone, and that
Okay,
I will put all the resources what I will work. So you can refer, you can take my resources from there. But
okay.
for learning purpose, you also need to have your own organization and
Oh, okay.
same setup in your system.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah. Oh,
Has anyone created with this name?
Yeah, Ravi, actually, I thought like we also need to do, so I was doing the same now.
Okay.
oh.
Let me use. they are doing. I think they have added. Okay. So few email ID I can add in this organization. So I think two email is there. So let me add this two first, and later on I will add other.
We can complete setup now. We no need
And
to add anyone.
Ravi, add SH. Yeah.
Other email ID I will do later, but just for some like to explain few things, I need at least one, two. So I already.
That is one. First one is wrong.
Okay,
So we
okay,
can
let it.
complete setup na. We no need to anyone.
No,
We
no,
no
no,
need to
no.
add anyone.
For setup purpose only, we need one, 2%. Okay.
No,
So to
no. In my GitHub account, I have created organization. Then I can complete setup na because I no need to add anyone.
yes, that part I got, but to explain few concept, I need one, two account. Okay, so that's why I did. Yeah.
The first one is a spell mistake.
Let me explain few capability here. So once you will come here, let's say there are few people in your organization and someone joined recently, then you can go to people, you can go to invite, and you can add their email ID here.
Add H in that one, Ravi. BSATISH.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can add any email ID what you want. Click on invite. So here you can see we have two role. One is member, one is owner. If you will select as a member, then you will like that member will able to perform the read operation. Okay. But if you want to give him full access where he can perform everything, then you need to give him owner access. Okay. So at this moment, like for my organization, I don't want anyone to do write operation since there will be lots of information. and if someone will delete or someone will update, that will create problem for other people. Okay, so for my account, whatever access I will give, like for everyone, I will give only read access only. So I will give member access and click on send invite. Okay, now Satish, can you share your screen and can you open your email, this email?
Okay.
So once I will invite you, then how it will, you will receive the email and how you will perform rest of the operation, that part let me explain. Yeah, so let's at least share this screen.
Yes. Click on join.
Yeah, so once you will receive, once you will open your email and after my invite, you will get this kind of like email. So you need to click on join. Yes. Click on join, that green button. No, no, just have you clicked on that join one? So this.
Yes, yes, sir. Mm,
Okay, then it should
okay.
redirect you. Click on that. It should redirect you to GitHub account, GitHub desktop. Sorry, GitHub account.
Ravi, can you add me also so that I can try it from my end?
See, actually, we'll do for other. At this moment, let's do for one person, and everyone will see the steps, and other people will do same thing in their system.
So what?
So Satish,
So
when
what?
you are clicking on, sorry,
Yes, sir. Yes, Ravi.
when you are clicking on this link, what is happening? You are unable to redirect to GitHub.
Yes, yes. We are unable to see. I close this tab.
Okay, so
And I
Abhishek, can you share
join.
your screen? There might be something wrong with your system. So Abhishek, are you there? Will you? Okay, both are same only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let me give to someone else. So let me give to MD. So can you share your screen, MD?
Okay. Okay, I got the. Yeah, I'm going to show you. Okay. Yeah, it's taking me there. I'm here. Can you
Yeah,
see it?
click. Yes, click on this link. Join.
Which one? Oh, here,
Yeah,
right on the green one.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then yeah, you have this organization. Now, how you will see this organization? Okay, on top right corner, one green, your name is there on top. Yes, click on that.
Okay, I'm here.
Yes. So whatever I will add repository and things you will able to see here. I have
Okay.
given you member access, so only you will able to perform the read operation. You will not able to perform the write operation.
So you go to projects, right? When you create a new one, then it will be on projects.
Repositories, not project.
Oh, okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay,
So
that
you
you
can
will create,
stop.
right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can stop sharing the screen.
Okay.
Okay, so next we have like GitHub Desktop. So this particular software, as I mentioned, like will use to manage our repository. So here it will give you graphical interface. So it will be easy to like, sorry, it will be easy to use. Compared to like Linux, you need to do every command, and Windows operating system, you will get you used to get graphical interface. Same way, if you will use Git bash, you need to write the command. But if you are using GitHub Desktop, you just need to uh, you will have graphical interface to perform everything. Okay. So here, what you will do, you will type GitHub download. And then you will get download for window. Click on this. Once you will click on this, you will get something like this one. Yeah, this one. Okay. And then double click on this to complete the installation. So can anyone share your screen? So I can explain and how. Okay, maybe MD, you can share your screen. I will show you how you will link your GitHub Desktop with your GitHub account.
Okay. Okay. It's here.
First, download GitHub Desktop.
I did. I just double click on it.
No, I cannot share. You haven't shared full screen.
Oh, no. Okay. Can you see now my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So you here. I just download it, double click, and that's able to come. Do you see now?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now
You want
you
me to
need
build it?
to wait. Yeah, sign in into github.com.
And here.
Yeah, give your user ID and password.
Okay. Okay. Nice. I got it right. My browser on my Edge, the cookie is not coming, so I just disabled it. Setting. I have to allow cookies. Okay, do you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, sorry, I was trying to enable my uh, Edge browser. I'm here, and oh, cookie must be enabled.
Okay, fine. So maybe you can stop sharing if there is some problem with your system.
Okay, I think I just enabled it. Okay. Yeah, I'm able to log in. Sorry for the delay. I'm here.
Okay. So you are able to now go to GitHub desktop.
Uh, you mean here?
Yes.
Yeah, it's just coming. Why it's spinning?
Just cancel it and do it again.
Um,
Cancel.
okay.
You click on authorize desktop. Yeah, always allow.
Okay. So here, do I have to put just?
No. Click on
Just
drop down.
scroll, drop
Wait.
down.
In email, click on drop down. Yes, select your own email address. Yeah, and click on finish. Okay. So at this moment, there is no repository. So wait at this moment. Wait at this place only. Don't do anything. Wait here. Now let me
Okay.
share and then I will share your screen again.
Okay.
Okay. So we have seen like how to install GitHub desktop and how to like give access to someone and how he will connect with this center repository using GitHub desktop. Now what I will do, I will show you how to create repository. So again, we'll go to GitHub account and go to repository tab. So whenever you will create any mule application, so for each app, like there are two ways. One is within same repository, you can create multiple application. That is traditional way. But nowadays, like everyone creating one repository for one application. Okay, so here we'll create a new repository.
So do we have to create one from our side or wait from you?
No. In this particular organization, you people don't create anything. Just
Okay.
follow everything. Okay. If you want to create anything for learning purpose, create your own organization and do everything.
Okay.
So here I given this name for repository. Then This will be private. I will make it private. Add readme file. Another thing, leave as it is, and create a repository. Okay, so just now I created one repository. Okay, now same repository will be accessible for all the members within this organization. So now MD, you can share your screen.
Can you see? Okay, I'm here.
Yeah, just refresh this. Yeah, select that one. So you can see here, he is able to see now. Okay, then clone, click on clone. Bottom, you can not there.
Yeah.
Okay, select the location. That one is correct. Below one, local path, that you can select properly.
Document, GitHub and documents. Okay, that's fine. Let me add Mulesoft. See here, GitHub.
So whatever practice we will do in our repositories only.
So I don't get. So your repository, you will create your organization and you will create your repository for your practice purpose, for your learning purpose. Okay.
Okay.
But this repository and workspace, or like repository and everything what I'm creating, okay, this one you will use to refer my documents and things.
Okay.
Ravi, one question. So while working on the project, right? I mean, we'll need to refer a repository. So everyone will be referring your repository, or what is it?
No, no. When you will work on your project, like once you will do same thing in your system, then you will create your organization, your repository. Okay. But if you want to refer something, then you will use my workspace, my organization, my repository.
Okay, okay, all good.
Okay, fine. You can stop sharing.
Okay.
Okay, okay. You still
So this
creating.
location, whatever we have choose,
Yeah,
this
you can
location,
choose
whatever
any
we
location.
no, we can choose in OneDrive also.
Yeah, yeah, anywhere. Yes, you can choose one in OneDrive also.
So that will be good, na sir.
Yeah, it's
For
up to
safety
you.
purpose
If
and
you
all.
will have OneDrive access for lifetime, yeah, that will be good.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, so you can see here this particular repository he cloned in his local system using GitHub desktop. Okay, if you do same thing using Git bash, then you need to write command and all, and maybe for beginners it will be difficult to remember all those commands. Okay, now go to same location where you created this repository and check you have document folder or not.
Yeah, it's here.
So at this moment, we just seen like how to clone repositories. But a part of that, many things are there. We need to commit, we need to like create a pull request and many things are there. Okay, but this is just a starting. Hope everyone clear with this.
Yes.
Now let me share my
Ravi,
screen.
I'm having Ravi, I'm
Yes.
having problem with opening Git desktop.
Okay. What problem you are having?
Can I share my screen?
Yes.
With this.
Sorry, are you saying? Yes, you have set up. So what problem you are facing?
So I'm not able to download this.
You are unable to download. GitHub desktop is already downloaded.
No, it is download by different username, but I'm not able to down means get out of that.
Okay. Go to files,
Okay.
options. Here you can see sign out github.com.
Okay.
Then do sign in again and use the account what you want to do.
Okay. Okay, I will do that. Okay.
Yeah, okay, you can stop sharing.
Okay.
Okay, so after this, let me share my screen. Stop sharing your screen.
Sorry,
So we have completed this one. This also completed.
So location, whatever we have selected, we can change in future or like.
In the local location.
Yes, no, wherever we have created this document, we can change this location.
Local, where you are cloning it local, you want to change that location, correct?
Yes, yes.
That you cannot do. So if you want to do, then you need to clone it again.
And what about the we have whatever we have like didn't we will do till that time? Will all will be like cloned there or new location or not?
Once you will change, and whenever you are cloning, every time it will ask you for location. Whatever location you will give, it will go there. If you want to change the location, you need to clone it again on new location.
Okay. So every folder will be moved to new location by automatically when we clone to new location.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Now you are not like the previous location, what you have, you are just unlinking from there. That's it. You are not doing anything with that. Next, we have this Postman software. So for this, simply you need to download this. Download Postman. It will ask automatically detect your device and you will get download option. Click on this. Once you will complete the download, you will get something like this. Okay. and then you need to double click and you need to click on open 1 2 time, like yes 2 time, and then you will have the Postman in your system. Okay. And once you will this installation, you will get in my workspace. Okay. And then I will show you, once we will start the project, I will show you how to create like folders and everything in the workspace, how to write how to call the API from Postman. So those things we will see later. At this moment, you just need to complete the installation. Okay, so this one is also done. Everyone clear with this Postman one? It's very straightforward.
Ravi, the one which I have downloaded, it just have home, workspace, and explore. Means the part like API, those options are not enabled for me.
Okay, let it be for now. Yes, that is fine.
Okay.
Okay, so for today, I think we are good with this setup. Okay, in next class, we will do rest of the setup. Okay. Maven, JDK, these two are inbuilt only. Okay, but still sometime based on the project, you might need to do this installation. So I will show you all the steps. How to, if you want to set external Maven or JDK, then how you will do that. So that part I will show you in next class only. Okay, so for today we are good. If anyone has any query, let me know. Otherwise,
Ravi, can I share my email ID so that you can add me in your organization?
yeah, I will add everyone. So soon I will ask to fill the Google form, and based on that, I will add everyone. Okay, in that Google form, everyone use same email ID where you want to have this project private access and this GitHub access, all the access I will give in that email ID.
In real scenarios, like all this work, like creating like organization and all repositories will be done by some senior persons or like DevOps team, right?
It depends like in which step you are joining the project. Okay, if you are joining in between of the project, all the setups will be there. If you are the only developer in your organization or in your project, then you have to do all this thing.
So according to this project, what we need to say, like we are only member or we have team of 2 3 persons like that.
Here I am explaining, even if you will join any project as a single member, you will able to handle things. Okay, I'm teaching in that way.
Okay.
Okay, fine then. We are good. So thanks everyone.
Thank you, sir.
What is the next meeting, Ravi?
Okay, for this
Ravi?
real-time project, we will have again next Sunday. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, I will start the regular class. Till that point, actually, many people are doing this basic training. So till that point, like we will cover lots of basic concept and things. So since they are beginners, so like giving them to get some good knowledge so they can understand the project. Okay. So till
So
next
for
class, we will go
okay,
with this only Sunday, and then we will start more classes on project.
okay. Then Tuesday I will join for the basic one, right?
Yes. Like
Okay,
yeah, weekday we have this basic trading. Yes.
okay. I will try to complete it as soon as possible, and I will catch it. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks.